सरस्वती न्हंयच्या सुळसुळ्यांनी आमची भास जल्मल्ली. सरस्वती अळवाल्या तरी कोंकणी बाळवाल्या. त्यामध्ये कोंकणी मळ्यांनी कोंकणी कोंबे कोंकणी कुंभियांच्या मोगार पडले, मोगान जोडले आनी केदाळा म्हूण साद घालतना कोंकणी पद जल्मालें. आपले मांड सोबाण हाचो विकास उतरां आनी संगीताची अप्रूप जोडी.
उतरां ताका मेळ्ळी तर ती मांड सोबाणा, मांड सोबाणा.
It all began with the search for a Konkani identity in Konkani music. The experiment was named Mandd Sobhann, Mandd meaning stage and Sobhann meaning beautiful program. Mandd Sobhann, which began as a musical performance, grew into a movement that crystallized itself as Konkani's premier cultural organization.
By the time we came on the scene, Konkani culture was already looking old, faded and ancient. Anything that was old and irrelevant was associated with the culture. For any culture to be vibrant, relevant and alive, experimentations are required. So we thought the best way to revive and rejuvenate Konkani culture was to experiment. Mandd Sobhann itself was a great experiment in Konkani music, a search for a Konkani identity. And then a series of experimentations followed.
मांड सोबाणा, उतरां ताका मेळ्ळी तर ती मांड सोबाणा. कवितेक नूर मुळा मांड सोबाणा. वाजपताला खोकाल मुळा मांड सोबाणा. तांचे लगीन घडता तेन्ना मांड सोबाणा. आमी मांडात चार बोडा मांड सोबाणा. मुखार तुमी महाजणा मांड सोबाणा. आमचो मोग घडा तेन्ना मांड सोबाणा. मांड सोबाण, मांड सोबाण, 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 मांड सोबाणा. मांड सोबाण, मांड सोबाण.
Mandd Sobhann has organized numerous mega events of national and international importance in its bid to showcase Konkani arts and culture to the world.
A few of the events of national and international importance that need special mention are World's first Baila show and the Baila dance contest, a series of Baila shows that followed, such as Baila Carnival, Leo Baila show, Kingfisher Baila show, the Big Baila show, and the Baila International with the Sri Lankan and Mangalorean participation. The Baila experiment was meant to revive the Konkani dance form and to give Konkani music center stage in world music. Then followed Mondo Fest with 356 singers and 43 musicians in 1991. Porob, the 9 days first All India Konkani Cultural Festival 1992. Sant, 23 days, the first All India Konkani Fair and Exhibition 1993. Puno, with 12 leading Konkani stars coming together in 1996. Sangeet Dabdabo, a 13-hour singing marathon in 1998. Mandd with 954 singers, a record-breaking event in 2003. The brass band concert in 2003. Konkani Mahotsav, the 8 days Konkani Music and Dance Festival in 2004. And of course, Konkani Nirantari, the world record attempt.
3, 2, 1.
The Guinness World Record for the world's longest singing marathon of 40 hours by multiple singers was achieved by Mandd Sobhann on the 26th and 27th of January 2008 at Kalaangann, with the participation of 44 groups consisting of 1,711 singers from Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala and the Gulf, singing 645 Konkani songs non-stop.
I would like now to present the certificate to Mandd Sobhann for the new world record.